The urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for northern Ashland County, southwestern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Polk, or near Ashland, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Worcester around 9:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Congress, Jeromesville, Macon, Roseburg, and Reedsburg. The forecast for north central Ohio.